Top 5 Budget Bluetooth Speaker. Top 5. Higher quality crystal clear stereo sound. The UNS Angle 3, 3rd Gen, is designed and engineered by Cambridge Sound Works in the USA for greater clarity sound, accurate mids, and clear highs from dual precision acoustic stereo drivers. Longer battery playtime up to 14 hours, play from morning till night, bigger. 2500 mAh rechargeable battery can play up to 14 hours at 2/3 volume. And jack connect from TVs and non-Bluetooth devices with a 3.5mm line and cable for the perfect line and speaker. Built-in microphone for personal hands-free speakerphone calls from a cell phone or iPhone. Top 4. Bluetooth connection. Connects easily with the Echo Dot, Echo Dot 3rd Gen, Echo, Echo Plus, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone 10, iPad, Samsung Galaxy 8, Samsung Galaxy 9, Samsung Note, smartphone, cell phone, laptop, computer, Mac, and all other Bluetooth devices. Wireless Bluetooth streaming. 10 hours of playtime. IPX7 waterproof. Integrated carabiner. Speakerphone. Top 3. Unbelievable sound. 12 watts of pure audio power with enhanced bass thunders from dual neodymium drivers. An advanced digital signal processor ensures pounding bass and zero distortion at any volume. Outdoor proof. IPX7 protection safeguards against rain, dust, snow, and spills. Get incredible sound at home, in the yard, or anywhere else imaginable. Grab, go, listen. Classic design that has been refined and lightened, with effortlessly simple controls. Top 2. Crisp, balanced sound and unmatched bass for a Bluetooth speaker its size, plays loud and clear outdoors for beach days or camping trips. Built-in mic for speakerphone to take clear conference or personal calls out loud with a wireless range of approximately 30 feet. Pair 2 SoundLink speakers together for party mode or stereo mode, or use Bose Simple Sync technology to pair with a member of the Bose Smart Home family to play in sync. Top 1. Surprisingly bigger 360 sound. Ultimate Ears Wonder Broom 2 is a wireless Bluetooth speaker with surprisingly bigger 360 degrees sound and additional bass. New Outdoor Boost. Push the Outdoor Boost button on this ultra-portable speaker to instantly increase loudness and clarity for outdoor listening. Compatibility. For audio playback, smartphones, tablets, and other devices that support Bluetooth and Bluetooth Smart Wireless Audio Profile. Check the description below on where to buy it.